Hello and welcome to another full bean tutorial. In this session, I'm going to show you how I got support for an issue with my Starlink router. So you use your Starlink app on your phone, and I'll demonstrate that process. Using the app, you click on online, and then you click on support. You're looking for troubleshooting, click on that. Keep on scrolling. I think I clicked on offline here. And then it says I fell offline but was online before. The next screen asks if the solution that they suggested solved your problem. And what you do is you click the thumbs down icon, and then in the next screen you type in what the problem is. And the key here is to make it short. One sentence. All I typed was offline. Previously I had typed I went offline, I lost connection 2 days ago, and it wouldn't accept that. It wanted something much shorter. So I changed it to I'm offline. After that, the next screen said, please tell us more about it. If you'd like to attach photos, you can do that. I did all these things. I attached some photos. And finally, when I submitted the application, I didn't know where it went to. So I did it again, and I did it again. Since I was offline, I wasn't getting emails, but I used a hotspot to get into my email, and I saw that Starlink had responded to every one of my messages that I had sent. They finally said, we're going to be sending you a cable for running between the satellite and the router. That arrived in about 2 days. I replaced the original cable with that cable, and it solved the problem. They gave me an authorization to return the original cable and a shipping label to send it back to them at no cost. I was very satisfied with the process, but it was a little bit convoluted and difficult to follow. Hopefully, my commentary here will help you in following the issue. Thank you for watching.